I'll be talking about our gut, the remarkable gut. It is a fantastic organ. It has so many functions, such as 80% of our immune system is concentrated in our GI tract. Much of our hormonal system is concentrated in our GI tract, and the enteric neural system is connected to our central nervous system, and hence we have a gut-brain connection. The other thing is that our gut contains our microbiome, and that's probably one of the hottest scientific topics in the world in the last 2 or 3 years. And our microbiome is this fantastic collection of bacteria that we have living in our GI tract, and we also have this bacteria living on our skin and any surface actually that's exposed to the environment. All of these have their own microbiome, but the biggest concentration of our microbiome is in our GI tract. So our GI tract physiology is affected by our microbiome, and because our gut is connected to our liver, for instance, is connected to our brain, it's connected to our immune system, it's connected to our hormonal system, it's connected to our central nervous system and our metabolic system. So in that sense, our microbiome is connected to really most parts of our physiology. And with it, we can manipulate it. So for instance, and I suppose one of the biggest manipulators, or 2 big manipulators of our microbiome, are antibiotics in many senses in a negative way, and probiotics in very much a positive way. As such, what we can now show is that probiotics, by their impact on our microbiome, can have an impact on our immune system, can have an impact on our metabolic system, can have an impact on our gut-brain axis, can have an impact on our endocrine system. If you take all of that, then what we see is that our microbiome, and via our proxy probiotics of the microbiome, can have an impact on the health of all of those systems as well. And so we see, and I can present and will present trials that actually we've done, where we can show that probiotics have an impact on GI tract physiology, have an impact on our immune system, have an impact on our gut-brain and our metabolic systems, and by a combination of all of those, actually have an impact on both athletic performance and health in elite athletes. And when I say this, if I can just prompt this and sort of tease this out a little bit, we've shown in marathon runners, for instance, that we can cut 81 minutes off of their marathon, off of their triathlon time, I should say, sorry, triathlon. We can cut 81 minutes off of their triathlon time by taking probiotics for 12 weeks before the race. So that's in a sense, it's a summary in a nutshell really of what we can show and what we'll be talking about during this seminar. So we hope to see you there. Thank you very much.